This is our simple room. There are many different kinds of simples made by our different machine lines. These are some simples of fish feed made by our double screw extrusion machinery. We can check there are many different sizes. We can change the molds to make different size, and our machines can make the minimum size is 1.5 millimeter. Yeah. Also, we can make other size like 5 millimeter, 6 millimeter. You can check which size is more popular in your market, and then we can design the molds for you. And also, we can support you the basic formula. And our engineer have more than 20 years experience in this kind of industry. He can help you develop your own formula. Let's make a small test. This is our floating type fish feed. Let's check if it can floating on the water. This is floating fish feed testing for our Poland customer. Let's put into the water. Yeah, it can floating on the water 24 hours, no problem. The fish have enough time to eat there, and there will no pollution for the water. It's more better for the environment. Thanks for your watching of our introduction for our floating fish feed machines. If you have any questions of this kind of machine lines, welcome to contact me anytime. I'm honored to serve it for you. Bye-bye.
Hello, I'm Irene from the Jinan Zhuoheng Extrusion Machinery. Now I'm in our company's factory, and our company specializes in the food processing line machines. And today I will introduce you the fish feed processing line machines to you. And now I will introduce the machines to you one by one. Okay, let's see the first machine. It's the first machine. You can see it's the blend mixer. You can put the raw material like wheat flour or corn flour inside. And there are stirring beans inside. It can convey the materials with water evenly. And it's very easy to clean. And after the blend mixer, it will convey to the screw conveyor. You can see it's a screw conveyor. It can run stable and without leakage. And it will convey to the hopper, to the double screw hopper. You can see. Okay, now let's see our important machine, double screw extrusion machine. You can see it's the electricity control cabinet. Okay, now we can see the main neutral relay is the ABB, the breaker is Trent, and the AC connector is Trent. The inverter is Delta, and all the electricity control cabinet can be customized to your requirements. Okay, and this is the feeding system, heating system, the main motor, the gearbox, oil pump, and the cutting, the extruding, and the oil pump is inside here. It can guarantee the machine's quality and prolong the self-life. And you can change the different shapes here, the moods. There will have a mood here. You can change the different shapes by changing the moods. And the vibrating machine to distribute the products and avoid the products sticking together. The hoist's function is to convey the products from the extruder to the dryer. You can see the texture is PVC, and we design the skirt design to avoid the product leakage. You can see, and it's the dryer. It's the 5 meters dryer. And a different capacity, we have the different meters dryer. It's the 5 meters. And we also equipped, you can see the special design, the hot air circulation system. It can save energy and low consumption. And also there are special materials inside. It can keep the temperature. And the heating sources can be gas, diesel, electricity, and steam. You can choose the cheapest resource according to your country's price. You can see the inside structure. If you dry the fish feed pellet, we will add the mesh cloth for you. Okay. Now let's see the flavoring line. It includes the elevator, the hoist, the flavor system, and the oil pump, and the single drum. The oil pump, you can add the animal oil for fish feed. It can increase the floating fish feed time and prolong the fish feed shelf life. You can also put the flour here, flour powder here. It will come into the single drum evenly. And the single drum speed also can be adjustable. And you can see we also designed the special structure, triangle structure, in order to mix the ram to the products with oil and flour evenly. Okay, it's the cooling convenience. The function is to cool down the temperature to the product's temperature to room temperature, and then ready for package. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me, or you can click our company website. And next, my colleague will continue to introduce you other machines. Thanks for watching. Hello, I'm Irene from Jinan Zhuoheng Extruder Machinery. Our company specialized in food processing machines for more than 10 years. And now I'm in my company's factory. And now I will introduce our main products, fish feed processing machines for you. And you can see it's a bigger capacity. It's only the double screw extrusion unit. And its capacity is 3 tons per hour capacity. Okay, now let's see the first part, the electricity control cabinet. You can see the miniature relay ABB, the breaker is changed, the AC connector is changed, and all the electricity parts can be customized to your requirements. Okay, now you can see that storage bin. It's a very big storage bin. It have steering wheels inside. It will work all the time to avoid the materials sticking together. The storage bin. Then the material will go to the special equipment. You can see, if you want to add steam or fresh meat, this equipment can do it. And then the material will come into the hopper of the double screw extrusion unit. You can see the double screw extrusion unit. It includes the feeding system, the heating, the main motor, and our main motor brand is Siemens, the very famous brand Siemens. This is the heating system. And the heating type, we have 2 types. One is electricity, another is steam. You can choose a suitable resource according to your requirements. Now you can see the cutting system. It's our cutting system. You can see it can move easily. And this is the modes. You can change the different shapes by changing the modes. Okay, that's all the 3 tons fish feed double screw extrusion unit. Thanks for your watching. Here is my contact information. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me.
This is our simple room. There are many different kinds of simples made by our different machine lines. These are some simples of puff snack made by our machines. This one is made from Bangladesh. This one is tucked in our company for our Sweden customer. And all these shapes is tucked in for our customer before they order our machines. And there are many different shapes, like the tennis racket, like the bear paws, like the stick, like the shrimp, like the circle. Yeah, we can support custom size series. You can check which shapes and size in your market more popular. We can design the modes for you. So if you have any questions with these kind of products, welcome to contact me. Thank you.
Hello, this is Lotus from Jinan Zhuoheng Extrusion Machinery Company. Now I'm at our factory to introduce our 150 kilograms per hour puff snack food production line. This is our flour mixer. You can put all the raw material like cane flour, rice flour with water here. It has the mixing wheel. It's connected with the motor directly, which has strong power to mix them evenly. After the mixing wheel, over here, the mixed raw material will go through by screw conveyor to the feeder of extruder. This is our twin screw extruder. It included controlling system, feeding system, heating system, lubrication system, cutting system. Now I will show you the electrical cabins. From here, you can see the electric part is changed, and the relay is ABB, and also the frequency changer is delta. From this panel, you can see the feeding, cutting, main motor is controlled by the evictor. Now, I will show you here the feeding of the raw material goes through the twin screw feeder. Then we will go to the extrusion part. Inside the extrusion part, there are heating bonds. I can heat the raw material evenly. After that, here there will be the mold. It can shape different shapes of puff snack food. Then, after the shaping wheel, the snack will go down to the vibration machine. And here, there is a dryer to pick the small pieces of puff snack. Then puff snack will go through the belt conveyor to the dryer. And the belt material is food grade PVC. And here, it has a special structure, can prevent the puff snack to slide down. This is our dryer. You can see here, it is an electric dryer. There is a hot air circulation system up on the dryer. It can make full use of the heating energy to dry the puff snack evenly. And here it is the electric control panel. It can control the moisture, the heating, the temperature, and the belt speed. The material of the dryer is stainless steel. There will be the heating pipes inside. Also, there are different types of dryer for you to choose, like gas, diesel. Okay, I will show you the inside part of our dryer. Inside the dryer, the cheese, it has a big size, which is durable. And also you can see the mass inside. It can, if you make a small sizes puff snack food, you can add it. Also the material is stainless steel. After the drying wheel, the snack will go to the flavoring line. This is our single drum flavoring line. It controls moisture, flavor feeder, oil sprayer, flavoring drum. And all of this can be controlled by this panel. During the work, you can add different flavor in this feeder. It can mix the snack with the oil and flavor evenly in this drum. Okay, come here. I will show you the special structure inside this drum. This is a special design. It can mix the flavor, oil, and snack flavoring evenly. Okay, after flavoring wheel, the puff snack foot will go to the cooling conveyor. It will be cool enough for ready packing. Okay, thanks for listening my video. If you have any interest in our puff snack food or other food machines, you can click our website. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Miss Spencer from Jinan Zhuoheng Extrusion Machinery Company. Today our machine is running the puff slack for processing. The capacity is 200 to 250 kg per hour. And this is our extruder. The model is ZH70. The material come into the divider from screw conveyor and into our extrusion system. Also, extrusion system includes the heating system. And after the product come out from the extrusion system, were shaped by the mold. Change the shape, change the mold to change the shapes. You can see, come here, you can see the product, different shape. And then this is our vibrating machine to avoid the product sticking together. Also, there is a receiving box to receive some small pieces. And then after the vibrating machine were our conveyor. This is special design. The material is food grade, and to avoid the product jump out. And then our dryer. This is our electric dryer. Also have the different heating source like gas, steam, diesel. Customer can choose the different heating source according their local requirement. Which one is cheaper? You can choose which one. Come here. You can see inside. This is our 5-layer, 5 meters electric dryer. The mesh belt material is stainless steel. Also can change the material to be the Teflon. After dryer is our flavoring system. Include the oil tank, flavoring tank, and a single drum. This is our oil tank. You can put the oil into this tank for spraying the oil on the surface of our puff slack food. And this is our flavoring tank. You can put the different flavors like spicy flavors, BBQ flavors, and tomato, onion flavors mixed together to spray the flavors on the surface of puff slack that. And then this oil system and the flavor system can working together and into our single drum. Our single drum, the speed can be controlled by the handle wheel and this control system, also no problem. And our single drum can mix the flavors and product evenly to taste more yummy, more delicious, and crispy. And after flavors will be our cooling system to conveyor to our packing system. Also can down the temperature for more service longer. Okay, this is our full automatic packing system. And customer can pack in a different weight of the puffing slack. Also, the back size also can be customized by your requirement, and the data can be screened on the back. Okay, this is all information on 215 kg/h puffing slack processing line. If you have any question, you can contact us. Thanks for your watching. Bye.
Hi, I'm Miss Spencer. This is our simple rule. You can see there are various samples made by our different food machine line. Next, I will introduce our frying slack food and soya protein samples made by our double screw extruder. Okay, well now let's check our soya protein samples on this table. About the shapes, customer can design and we can provide special shapes for you if customer requirement. About the formula, our engineer also can supply the special formula for you in your market because our engineer has more than 20 years experience in this industry. About the capacity, we can supply the 160 to 220 kg/h and 260 to 320 kg/h, and the middle one is 500 kg/h, and the more bigger one is 1 ton and 2 ton per hour. And about this machine line, it's very simple. Just need from the mixer, extruder, and dryer and cooling. It's very simple machine line. It's very popular for the starter. You want to invest this product in this market. Okay, about this bag. This bag samples bring back by our engineer when we install the 1 ton per hour soya protein processing line in India, Indore city. They bring it sells very well in this city. It's very popular. Okay, thanks for your watching and for introduction of our soya protein and soya chunks samples. If you have any question about our machine line, welcome to contact us. It's a very pleasure to chat with you. Looking forward to message us. Thank you.
Hello, this is Lotus from Jinan Zhuoheng Extrusion Machinery Company. Today, I'm in our factory. I will introduce you our soya protein food production line. Okay, I will show you the machine one by one. This is our flour mixer machine. You can put the low temperature defed soybean meal with water here. After the mixing wheel, it will go through the screw conveyor to the feeder of the twin screw extruder. Okay, I will show you the twin screw extruder. Now I will introduce you the main machine, our twin screw extruder. It controls electrical control system, lubrication system, feeding system, heating system, cooling system, and cutting system. Okay, now I will introduce you our controlling system. Inside the panel, you can see the electric part is changed. Relay is ABB, and evictor is delta. You can also customize the brand that you want. And from this panel, you can see the feeding, main motor, and cutting is controlled by the evictor. Here, the mixed raw material will go down to the extrusion system. There will be the heating pump inside to heat the raw material. Here there will be the mold. It can make different shapes of soya protein by changing the mold. Usually, we will supply you 6 sets of mold for free with machine. After shipping wheel, it will go down to the vibration machine. There are also the dryer down the vibration machine to pick small pieces. Then the soya protein will go to the electric dryer by the belt conveyor. Our belt conveyor is food-grade PVC, and it also has a special design which can prevent the soya protein from sliding down. Here, this dryer, it is electric type. Also, you can choose gas or diesel oil. Up on the dryer, there's the hot air circulation system. And inside the dryer, there will be the heating pipes. It can make hot energy to dry the soya protein evenly. Then, you can here see, that's the dryer. It can also pick the small pieces of soya protein. Okay, I will show you inside of the dryer. Okay, you can see inside the cheese is a big size. It's very durable. It can prolong the working life of the dryer. And inside the belt is stainless steel. Okay, after drying wheel, the soya protein will go to the polishing machine by the belt conveyor. Now, I will show you the polishing machine. It will make the soya protein with small surface. After polishing wheel, the soya protein will go to the cooling conveyor. After cooling wheel, it will be ready for packing. Okay, thank you for your listening. If you feel any interest in our soya protein food machine, you can contact us or click our website. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Miss Spencer. This is our simple rule. You can see there are various samples made by our different food machine line. Next, I will introduce our frying slack food and soya protein samples made by our double screw extruder. Okay, now let's check our various frying slack food samples. You can check some of samples on our table. Like the different shapes, the natural tortilla shapes, and the salad shapes, and the rice crust shapes. Most popular one, burger shapes, and the fishy shapes. All shapes only can change the ruler of shaper machine to finish it. And about the formula, our engineer can supply the special formula only for your local market. Because our engineer has more than 20 years experience in this industry. And about the capacity, our double extruder can achieve 100 to 115 kilogram per hour, and 200 to 215 kilogram per hour, and 500 kilogram per hour. The client can choose the popular one according to your local market. Okay, like this one. These burger chips, the samples bring back from Sweden when our engineer installed our machine in Sweden. It sells very well in Sweden. Okay, thanks for your watching of introduction of our frying slack food samples. If you have any question about our machines, welcome to contact us. It's a pleasure to chat with you. Looking forward to your message. Thank you.
Hello, my friends. I'm James. Today, I stay in our factory. I will introduce our cornfield puff snack machine line for you. Next, I will introduce machine one by one for you. This is mixer. It's used for mixing the raw material. We can put different raw material like the corn flour, rice flour, cornstarch, and water inside. After mixing well, the raw material comes into the feeder of extruder through the screw conveyor. This is our extruder. It's including different systems like control system, feeding system, driving system, extrusion system, heating system, cutting system, and the replication system. So let's see each one system one by one. This is control system. Let's open it and check the brand of electronic. This is the inventor. The brand is Delta. The breaker brand is Trent, very famous China brand. Small relay is ABB. And our main motto, the brand is Siemens. We also can support custom size service. Just the different brand, the price is different. The cutting system, feeding system, driving system, controlled by the inventor. The speed can be adjusted. There is most. We can produce the cornfield snack shapes into a round shape, a square shape. This is the cutter. After products come through the extruder, it works through the cutter. The cutter speed can be adjusted, so we can adjust the length of the snacks. This is a corn feeder machine. It will inject chocolate or a sandwich inside into the products. It will taste sweet. After cornfield snack through the cutter, this is belt conveyor. It will convert the cornfield snack into the oven. This is our 3-layer 5 meters electric oven. We also can support gas types oven, diesel types oven. You can check which types oven is more suitable in your market. Our oven equipped with the hot air circulation system. It can save more energy, low consumption. And there is dryer on the bottom. It's used for collect the small pieces, stop the fire. And there is some special material inside. It can keep the temperature. And this is a measure device. It can measure the temperature. Yeah. Material is stainless steel. Good quality. Let's see something inside of the oven. We can check the wire mesh. The material is stainless steel. After drying, you can choose to flavoring or without flavoring. It's depending on you. You can check which types snacks is more popular in your market. This is flavoring. It's including the belt conveyor, the feeder, the oil sprayer, the single drum. The single drum speed can be adjusted by the handle or by the control box. After flavoring, it's cooling conveyor. It's used for down the temperature before packing. After cooling, it's packing. That's all. This is our complete line of cornfield snack machine line. Also, you can use this line to make puff snacks. That's all. So if you have any questions of these lines, welcome to contact me. We will try our best to service for you. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I'm Irene from the Jinan Zhuoheng Extrusion Machinery. Now I'm in our company's sample room. It contains the final products that our company can produce. I will introduce the samples to you one by one. Here are the macaroni samples. You can see there are many shapes, like the spiral shape and the shell shape. We also can customize the shapes according to your requirements. Our macaroni products are not only healthy, but also have the natural color, very resistant to boiling, and good taste. And our macaroni molds are all exported from Italy. so it has a nice appearance and smooth surface. If you are interested in our products, feel free to contact us. We will give you more information.
Hello, I will introduce you how to make macaroni by our machines. Firstly, we need to weigh the water and wheat flour into certain amounts, and then put the wheat flour into the mixer. And also, we need to put the water into the mixer for mixing 5 to 10 minutes, and open the mixing one. Put the water into the mixer evenly for mixing the water and wheat flour evenly. After mixing well, we need to open the hoster, the switch hoster, and the flour will come into the mixing tank of the extruder by the hoster. Install the mold on the head. We put the cutting system on the mold and make the cutting knife connect with the mold. We open the mixer, and then we open the cutter, and then we open the main motor. Normally, after 1 to 3 minutes, the material comes out through the mold. This is temperature meter. This is setting temperature, and this is performance temperature. This is cooling. After working temperature more than 50 degrees, the cooling system will working automatically. It will down the temperature automatically. This is my motor's inverter. This is cooling inverter. We can adjust the speed by these two switches. And you can adjust the cutting speed to adjust the length of products. After we finish the production, we need to close the extruder. Firstly, we need to close the mixer tool, and then main motor, and then is the cutter. We take down the mold. You know, after we finish production, we need to clean the mold. There is flour reserved inside, so we need to open the switch of main motor and let this wet flour come out. After the raw material come out, we also need to take out the screw, and we need to clean. And we will show you how to clean the mold and screw in next process. After we take the mold from the extruder, we use the water gun to clean the mold, and then we smear the cooking oil on the surface of the mold and use the plastic to wrap the mold. Hello, my friends, I'm James. Today, I will show you our welding workshop. All the frame of machine is produced in this workshop. The frame of machine plays a very important role in the quality of equipment. Let us check the quality of our steels. There are various steels, like the steel plate, like the square tube, like the C-type steels. We can check the quality of these steels. We can see the thickness. And also, they are very strong. All the steels adopt international standard. Now, our workers are working. Let's show you. This is the frame of the machine we produced. Let's check the quality.
Embraced in the picturesque, sincere of Bianque and Huashan Mountain, and boundless expanse of rippling waters of Great Lake, tortuous Yellow River flows torrently. The great drawer Zhao Mengfu of Yuan Dynasty depicted the screen hill and clear waters in his masterpiece Autumn Sincere of Bianque and Huashan Mountain. Today, Jinan City, as a pilot zone of new and old kinetic energy transition, is becoming a trendsetter of innovation. Jinan Zhuoheng Extrusion Machinery Company, who is committed to Made in China, is just perched in the bridgehead of the expansion to North strategy and will take the opportunity of transform, break new ground for the future, empower Made in China strategy going globe. Pioneer of manufacture rice with technology. Jinan Zhuoheng Extrusion Machinery Company Limited was founded in 2010. After 10 years of development, it has become a high-tech manufacturing enterprise based on product quality and guided by technological innovation. It is a professional manufacturer of extrusion equipment and an expert in system integration design, and was rated as a high-tech enterprise in Shandong Province in 2018. The company has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, EU CE certification, Swiss SGS export certification, etc. Zhuoheng has been cultivating in the field of extrusion machinery manufacture for 10 years. It has always been adhering to the development and professionalism and sophistication. It has independently developed dozens of puffed food machinery equipment and technologies, and is an important professional manufacturer both at domestic and abroad. Excellent quality and long-lasting reputation. Zhuoheng is wholeheartedly and professionally focused on providing excellent products. Products include automatic macaroni production line, aquatic feed production line, textured protein production line, puff snack food processing line, and fried food production line, etc. The equipment has advantages of excellent quality, advanced technology, good performance, simple operation, high degree of automation, etc., and has truly achieved environmental protection, high efficiency and low consumption, relying on leading technology and excellent quality. Zhuoheng machinery is exported globally, with customers from all over Europe, America, Africa, Southeast Asia, and Middle East, etc. Innovation leads and teamwork. Technological innovation is a fundamental driving force for enterprise development. Zhuoheng has cultivated a scientific research team with high professional level and strong sense of innovation, and achieved many scientific and technological achievements, among them feed crusher, totally cotton, machine tool and processing sealer, vacuum negative pressure cold extrusion, extruder, and humidifier have won national invention patents. Zhuoheng's main management team has the courage to take on the task, and the Iron Army has excellent skills. The company fully implements 6S management and promotes sophisticated production to ensure the excellency of products. We established a perfect marketing service network, implemented a rapid response and regular follow-up service mechanism to fully protect the interests of customers. Excellent quality, long-lasting reputation. Zhuoheng people who are determined to forge ahead will adhere to the development strategy of kinetic energy first and seize opportunities, face up to challenges, and create more value for society and customers.